For sale, 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 2500Hd 8-foot reading utility service truck, 4x4, Duramax diesel, Allison. The 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 2500Hd in this configuration is a dependable, fleet-grade utility truck built to support demanding field operations, maintenance crews, and commercial service work. Its Duramax diesel engine and Allison automatic transmission provide a powerful and responsive driving experience, allowing the truck to comfortably handle heavy workloads, towing duties, and daily job site demands. The 4x4 capability enhances traction and stability across varied terrain, making it a strong match for off-road, rural, or construction environments. Outfitted with an 8-foot reading utility service body, the truck offers organized storage through multiple lockable side compartments designed to secure tools, components, and sensitive equipment. The open rear section provides flexible cargo space for larger items, repair materials, or mounted machinery. The crew cab layout comfortably accommodates work teams and allows operators to transport personnel and gear efficiently, making it a practical choice for utility companies, construction firms, and mobile service operations. With a clean one-owner history and documented fleet-level care, this Silverado presents in professional condition and is engineered for long-term reliability. Integrated towing features, modern cabin functionality, and its well-maintained mechanical condition make it a ready-to-deploy solution for any company needing a strong, versatile service truck.
Looking for a reliable work truck with financing that works for you? Truck and Van Outlet is your destination for top-quality commercial vehicles and zero down payment financing designed to help business owners, contractors, and fleet operators hit the road without the financial headache. Whether you're hauling cargo, lifting with a bucket truck, or handling construction jobs with a dump body, our inventory is built for hard work and real-world performance. Each truck is thoroughly inspected, professionally maintained, and ready to go. Because downtime isn't an option when you've got jobs to finish and clients to serve. We offer easy and flexible financing options, nationwide delivery, and a customer-first approach that's earned us a reputation you can trust. Our team is here to guide you every step of the way, from selecting the right vehicle to getting you approved and rolling fast. At Truck and Van Outlet, it's more than just a sale, it's a partnership, because when your business moves, we move with you. Call us today at 305-646-1945 or visit truckandvanoutlet.com to browse our inventory and apply for financing. Your next work truck is just a click away. Truck and Van Outlet. Tough trucks, easy terms, real value.